Prepare to be amazed. From a rare 1971 Suzuki T125 Stinger, ready to rule the roads, to a custom 1969 Triumph chopper brimming with personality, these unique finds redefine vintage cool. Whether you're into cafe racers or custom classics, this lineup is full of surprises. Number 1, 1977 Yamaha XS 850, located in San Leandro, California. This 1977 Yamaha X is listed for $1,850. With 28,000 miles on the odometer, the bike is 95% complete and features custom bodywork and a unique paint job. It runs well, though a few minor tweaks are needed, including sealing the fiberglass tank, installing the seat hardware, and adjusting the front fender. The bike currently requires registration through the DMV, but the seller provides a bill of sale. Once finished, this Yamaha XS has the potential to be worth $6,000, making it a great project for someone looking to restore a classic at an affordable price. Number 2, 1971 Suzuki T125 Stinger, $3,300. This rare 1971 Suzuki T125 Stinger is listed for $3,300 in Los Angeles, California. With 19,000 miles, this sporty 125cc two-stroke is equipped with a 5-speed transmission and can reach speeds of up to 75 miles per hour. The bike is mostly original and has recently undergone a full service, including the replacement of the plugs, tires, chain, and oil. It runs smoothly and comes with a clean title registered through the next year. This classic Suzuki offers great performance and is a fantastic find for collectors or enthusiasts. Number 3, 1979 Yamaha Sr500 2800th edition. Located in Berkeley, California, this 1979 Yamaha Sr500 Thumper is priced at $2,850. With just 6,000 miles, this bike's easily with a second and is in excellent condition. Previous ownership by a skilled bike mechanic has ensured that it's been well cared for, maintaining its original carb and solid performance. The bike has been meticulously maintained, making it an excellent choice for anyone seeking a reliable and classic single-cylinder motorcycle. Whether for daily riding or adding to your collection, this Sr500 offers great value and reliability. Number 4, 1971 Huskvarna 360 Enduro, $4,200. Located in Buena Park, California, this vintage 1971 Huskvarna 360 Enduro is priced at $4,200. With just 1,000 miles and only one owner, this 360cc two-stroke 4-speed bike is an ideal candidate for a Harma MX or VMX racing. Its rarity makes it a sought-after find, and the seller is firm on the price. The bike is currently out of the DMV system, but will be sold with a bill of sale. If you're looking for a classic and capable machine for vintage motocross, this Huskvarna is a standout option. Number 5. 1981 Yamaha 100H to $1,900 at Festived for $900 in Las Vegas, Nevada. This pair of 1981 Yamaha 100H dirt bikes offers a fantastic project opportunity for enthusiasts. The white bike runs but requires some work to be fully operational, while the blue bike has a leak that needs attention. Both bikes have been sitting for a while and are being sold together, with the seller unsure of their exact mileage. These classic Kickstarters are perfect for someone who enjoys restoring vintage motorcycles and bringing them back to life. With a little effort, these bikes could become great trail riders or collectibles. Number 6, 1981 Honda CB750 Custom, $3,000. This 1981 Honda CB750 Custom, located in Loma Linda, California, is listed for $3,000. With 22,746 miles, the bike currently doesn't run and will require a carburetor rebuild and a new battery to get it back on the road. The tank is rust-free, which is a great sign for potential restoration. Additionally, The bike comes with 2 extra carburetors for parts, offering a good opportunity for someone who enjoys working on bikes. The seller is open to trade offers, particularly for manual and rear-wheel drive cars. If you're looking for a classic bike project, this could be the perfect candidate. Number 7. 1982 Honda CB125S, $2,900. This 1982 Honda CB125S, available for $2,900 in Oakland, California, has 3,408 miles and is in excellent condition. Recently maintained with a valve adjustment, oil change, and brake cable adjustment, the bike is ready for immediate use. It's an ideal choice for a beginner rider or someone looking for a reliable city cruiser. With its smooth performance and compact design, it's a versatile and easy-to-handle bike. The seller is open to offers and flexible on the price, given the bike's outstanding condition and readiness to hit the road. Number 8. 1968 Honda S90 Restamod Cafe Racer, $1,800. For sale in Redlands, California, this 1968 Honda S90 Restamod Cafe Racer is listed for $1,800. Featuring a new ZS 212cc 4-valve motor, 5-speed transmission, Keihin PE38 carburetor, and OO Racing flywheel and ignition, this bike delivers an exciting and speedy ride. Weighing in at under 180 pounds and producing approximately 28 horsepower, it's designed for fun and performance around town. The seller has put $6,500 into the build, making it a great deal for anyone looking for a fast, unique ride. Number 9. 1968 Honda Trail 90, $1,400. This 1968 Honda Trail 90 located in Los Angeles, California, $1,400. With 4,200 miles, the bike comes with a clean California title and has been placed on non-op status with the DMV. Recently rebuilt, it runs excellently and starts with the first kick, making it a reliable and fun ride for urban adventures or light trail use. Whether you're looking for a classic trail bike or a reliable commuter, this Honda Trail 90 offers great value and vintage charm. Number 10. 1969 Triumph Custom Chopper, $2,500. This custom 1969 Triumph 6050 motor chopper is listed for $2,500 in Arroyo Grande, California. The bike features a unique custom fabricated frame and is titled with an Oregon pink slip for the 1982 Yamaha parts used. The seller has invested $6,500 into the build and is offering it at a significant loss, making this a fantastic opportunity for anyone looking to take on a custom project. With its distinctive style and solid foundation, this chopper is ready for further refinement, offering great potential for creative restoration or modification. That's it for today's lineup, Moto Market Explorers. If any of these bikes caught your eye, let us know in the comments. Remember, these deals won't last long, so act fast if you're interested. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow bike enthusiasts. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video.